My name is Sherry Mae Mulliken, and my doctor is Dr. Brian Lowerbach. I had my knee replaced, total knee replacement on September 26th, but I also had my right leg done on June 13th, so highly recommend the man. He's awesome. I stayed at the Recovery Inn for both of my surgeries, and the team, the support people, the physical therapists were all at 100% capacity and then some. And Andy was a saint. I mean, advanced physical therapy people were awesome. I've been to the Alloway location, I've been to the Shawano location, and now I'm back over at the New London, and they were, I mean, phenomenal. So Dr. Lowerbach has awesome support team also, not just himself, but his associates and who he works with is top of the line. I wouldn't even think about recommending any place else. I would highly, highly recommend my own children, my best friend, because they know what they're doing.